I'm going to show you how I'm cleaning out my glue sponges for summer vacation. If you live in a hot and humid climate, I can't speak to that, but my glue sponges last for years in the Northeast. I'm up in Massachusetts. So my glue sponges have been well loved and well used, and I want to keep them as long as I can. So I'm going to remove the glue sponge and just put it to the side. It is a literal kitchen sponge. I will be switching to biodegradable sponges in the future, but these are just regular kitchen sponges. They have to be brand new and they have to be clean, otherwise they can grow stuff. And I know in more hot and humid climates, you might need to spritz your glue sponges with a little alcohol at the end of use before you store them for a long period of time, or like hydrogen peroxide or something like that, just like a little mist so they don't grow over the summer. So you can see I have lots of collaging materials stuck in the bottom of my glue sponge, and it's actually really easy to clean. You're going to want to make sure you have something to collect all this stuff that comes out. And I'm just going to throw all this stuff away after a collaging unit that we did. And I'm just going to get some hot water and a brush. And that's it. And you can see that was in real time how long that took to wash out the container. I'm going to put the glue sponge back in. And I'm going to cover it with a new fresh layer of glue so it doesn't dry out over the summer. So all this glue will absorb into the sponge by the time I leave for the end of the day today. And here's the cover. I have 12 of these little ones, 2 per table so the kids can reach. But I think if I had to do it again, I would also make sandwich size Tupperwares, just for bigger pieces of paper, and have like 6 of those, 1 for the center of each table, and then still keep 12 little ones, because this really worked out this year. And I hope this helps you prep your glue sponges for summer vacation. They do need glue so they don't dry out. And if you're in a hot and humid environment, I do recommend a little spritz. I put these in the back of a cabinet, the bottom cabinets, and they're in a dark, cool environment, and I haven't had a problem with them drying out over the summer, and they last a long time. So I hope that helps with your summer prep.